What's going on, everybody? It's your host, BathtubSmiles, aka Nick, aka CSR2 Via Air, Liberty Walk Performance, Liberty Walk Works, Liberty Performance Lamborghini. So, without further ado, I'm going to finally be showing you how to make your own custom titles and emblems in IW4X. Simple, easy, quick, easy, dubs. Cool, we're taking it. First things first, you want to download Winrar. Anyhow, you want to download, install Winrar, and then you want to head over to your IW4X installation directory, which mine's under my secondary hard drive. IW4X, you're going to go into the main folder. IW00, it's the first Winrar here. If you don't have the Winrar icon, you're going to right click, and it should say open with, and just search for more apps if WinRAR isn't popping up there, but it should. Oh, I did not want to do that. Go navigate to images, and what we're going to be looking for in here is card icon and card title. These are going to be all of your titles and emblems. So for the sake of saving time, everybody why is uTorrent open? Everybody's going to tell you to take all of them, all the titles and all the emblems. That's not the case. You don't need to do that. So let's go ahead and quickly make a new folder here. We're going to call it title and emblem. And let's see, the flags are probably the easiest because you don't have to work around any text. If one of the titles that you choose has text on it, that text is going to stay there unless you add custom text, which refer to my last video. Card icon in the top right corner of your screen right now. You can navigate to that video and learn how to do that. But for now, we're going to take let's take the India flag, and we're going to drag it to our desktop, and now we're going to search for card icon. So let's go ahead and take Prestige 10 here, and we're going to leave this open. We need this open, so get rid of all those other screens. Take these, drag them into that folder, and now you're going to want to navigate to the description below, and you will find a folder called, holy hell, what's going on? A folder called Texture Converter. And what we're going to do here is take both of these files here and drag them into that title and emblem folder that we created. Cool. Now, take both of these, the card icon and card title, and open with image X IWI. All you want to do is drag it on top of that. You'll see done, press any key to exit. So now we have two PNG files. Essentially what this program does is it converts the IWI files into PNG files so you can edit them. Now we're going to go ahead and open with Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use MS Paint, you could use fucking any imaging editing any image editing software that you might have, you can use. So let's go ahead and blow this guy up. As you can see, this is the 10th Prestige emblem. Now, what I didn't know when I was creating my first emblem is if you change one of the Prestige icons, it's going to change the Prestige icon, whatever Prestige you are. So, for example, I changed my Prestige 9 to a car. My Prestige 9 is a car. Let's go ahead and let's search Mario. This will be perfect, actually. So say image, actually, we're going to do Mario PNG. Let's see. We don't want to there. Let's take this right here. I think this will be a good image. So super important, you want to keep it roughly the same size as the current emblem. So go ahead and change that opacity. You just want to make sure that it's roughly the same size. You can make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. It's not really going to do much, but it could end up not working or whatever. I don't really know what happens. That's just the way that I know how to make it. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get rid of this background with our magic wand tool, and we're going to hide layer 0. So now there is our new emblem. Go ahead and click save. Save to that folder, and make sure you save it back as a PNG. It's going to ask you if you want to replace this. Yes, you want to replace it. Okay. Cool. So our emblem is done. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with the title. Let's see, wallpaper, and let's see. Let's change it to. That actually pretty nice. I kind of want something. This is cool. Alright, let's save this, save, and text. And now we're going to open our card title. Oh, now we've got our new title here. Alrighty, and same rule applies to the title. keep it roughly the same size. Now, any text that you put over this title, people will not be able to see everybody's ID. When I first read the first title, I was like, hey, everybody can see this, and shit, that's fucking cool. No, nobody sees it actually. Only you can see it, which is kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller here. We're gonna get roughly the same size, and now we're going to set a new position. Okay, everything's gonna be on there. Okay. So now we just need to clip everything out of here. So we're going to delete. So that's not so delete. Cool, and we will hide that back layer, and there we go. So now keep in mind, like I said, any text that you happen to write within your photo editing software will not show to other people. Only you will be able to see that. So keep that in mind. We can actually edit our title and emblem in the game, which I will show you after we finish this up. So after you save, we're good. We can delete those files. We don't need them anymore. So now we're going to take both of these PNGs and do the same thing that we did initially to convert them from IWI to PNG. Boom, done, cool. Now these are updated, so we can go back to our folder here, and we're gonna take both card icon and card title and drag them straight over. Okay, done. You can keep it all in Winrar, no extracting, none of that bullshit. I just hit my mic, that was probably really loud. So now we have those in our file system. The next step is to open IW4X. And now once you've got your IW4X open, go navigate to title. And where is our title? Right here. There it is. Look at that. Super motherfucking Mario. And our emblem, we chose one of the prestige icons. There it is. It's a me, Mario. But yeah, there it is, guys. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did so, please consider leaving a like, leave a comment, tell me if I'm retarded or not. And if you're feeling real generous today, hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, this has been your host, BathtubSmiles, and I am out of here.